Next video we're going to do is Verza. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel. There will be a link in the description box below. Click on it and it will take you right to this bot. Remember, do not ever send any money or coins to any airdrops. Airdrops are always free. Let's click on the bot. We're going to start up this bot here. We're going to click on airdrop tasks. We're going to go to their channel. We're going to join their channel. We're going to click back here. We're going to go to their Telegram group and join their group. We're going to click back here. And we're going to try putting this in and see what happens. We're going to paste our thing in here because usually you ask for that. And unknown command. Go to airdrop tasks again. We'll check out the balance here. So it looks like the only thing we've got to do here is join both Telegram groups, and that's it. There will be a referral link here. This is a very easy airdrop to do. And that's the end of this airdrop. Subscribe to the channel, and we're off on to the next one.